Hello everyone, we are going to see about continuous integration or continuous deployment, automatic testing and deployment with CI or CD pipeline. CI/CD pipelines automate the process of testing and deploying code changes to production environment. Continuous integration CI involves automatically running tests whether new code is pushed to a repository to ensure that it is integrates correctly with the existing code base. Continuous deployment automates the deployment of code changes to production environment after passing the testers, ensuring that updates are delivered to users quickly and efficiently. Configuring CI/CD workflows with GitHub Actions, GitLab CI/CD or other CI/CD service. GitHub Actions. GitHub Actions is a CI/CD service provided by GitHub that allows you to automate workflow directly within your GitHub repository. You can define CI/CD workflow using YAML files. Trigger actions based on events, push pull request, and integrate with other GitHub service. GitLab CI/CD. GitLab CI/CD is a built-in CI/CD service provided by GitLab for automatic testing and deployment workflow. You can define CI/CD pipelines using YAML files within your GitHub repository, specify stages and jobs, and leverage GitHub's built-in features for testing, code review, and deployment. Other CI/CD services. There are many other CI/CD services available, such as Travis CI, Circle CI, Jenkins, and Bitbucket Pipeline. These services offer similar functionality for automatic testing and deployment workflow, allowing you to choose the one that best fits your project requirement. Deploying updates to Next.js applications automatically. To deploy updates to Next.js applications automatically, you can integrate CI/CD workflow with deployment services like Vercel, AWS Amplify, Netlify, or custom deployment scripts. CI/CD pipelines can trigger deployment actions after successfully testing, ensuring that code changes are deployed to production environment seamlessly. You can configure deployment service to monitor specific branches or pull requests in your code repository and automatically develop changes to staging or production environment based on predefined rules. Thank you.